All right, y'all. So in this video, I'm just going to be trying these out. My wife got them recently at the grocery store. I just wanted to check them out. And so I'm just going to go ahead and pop these in the oven and then just, if y'all want to follow along and check out how they are. It says about 2 inches apart. So just go with that. All right, so I'm going to pop these in for about 11 minutes. All right, so go ahead and take a look at these. And they've kind of cooled down. But yeah, they actually look good. And so what I'm going to do, is I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of them down here at the bottom. And then just put a couple of scoops of ice cream. That's good. Yeah, so it says here rich and decadent flavor. I definitely agree with that. It's got like a really chocolatey, like almost a bitterness of a dark chocolate, but it's really good. Soft like a brownie and chewy. And so yeah, it's a really good cookie, but very rich.